Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the stool here today inside of Subnautica 2. It's a little fun chair that you can sit on, and that way you can pose with your friends if you're playing in multiplayer, so that you can all be sitting down in one photo together. And it really only requires one fragment to scan in order to unlock it, but you know, it's Subnautica. We're currently in Subnautica 2 early access, so things could be buggy, so I'm going to show you where to find a couple of them, just in case. So the first location we're going to go to here today is just to the northeast, and it's going to be inside of one of the pioneer houses that's hidden in little nooks and crannies all over the starter part of the map, also known as the colonist bunkers. And we're going to swim over here from the Lifepod to the northeast. There's going to be this gigantic broken piece of debris, and we're going to dive into this little vortex here that sucks us down inside of this cave. And once we get down here, we're looking for this little platform full of people's research. Be careful of that thing. It's a little grabber. It'll bite you. And then we're going to swim past this, although you can check this out. It's full of goodies that you can scan. And a journal. And we're gonna head over here into this little tunnel here. Down here you will find one of the colonist bunkers. Just go to this little light, and then right over here off to the right is the first one. And the coordinates for this are up here on the screen if you need them, in the lower right hand corner, because some people like to navigate via coordinates. And then we're just gonna pop inside. And then the stool that we want is right here in front of this giant crab leg. You can also find a scan for the trash can, the single bed, and the bio bed. So go ahead and scan all of those, and you've got a big old smorgasbord of new stuff to build. Then I'm going to head back to my tadpole, although if you prefer, you can just swim or use the wake maker. I'm going to head to the north to exit this cavern, then head back to the Lifepod. Alright, now, once you're back at the Lifepod, we're going to head sort of to the south, to the area where you get a lot of the sulfur, and I'm gonna head to the southeast past the Welcome Center, and what we're looking for is this area where you can see all of those big pieces of coral sticking up out of the water, and we're looking for the central big coral pillar or spire here at like southeast 150. In the middle of this big hill, there's this big spire surrounded by rocks, and there's a hole in here, and this is going to take you to the base number 2 that also contains a stool. So I'm just going to pause here, and you can see the coordinates of this location in case that's how you like to navigate. They're just down there in the lower right hand corner. Then I'm going to pop out, and we're going to go inside of here, and then the next stool we're looking for is right here in the middle of the room. You can also find a repair tool fragment. There's the bio bed that you can scan. There's a floor locker, a bioreactor, and also a single bed, all crammed in here into one convenient location. Although I'm noticing when I do these tutorials, there's this weird orange thing that looks like a drill punch that you can't do anything with or interact with. It just is kind of there. So with that done, we're going to head back to the Lifepod, and we can head to the final location. Alright, so for our final location to find a fragment of the stool, we're going to head to the sort of southwest-west, and we're looking for an area called the Big Coral Shell, or Coral Dome, way over here, and essentially it's one of these, but massive. One of those big old domes, and you can kind of see it looming over there in the distance. Underneath of here is going to be some research stuff that you can scan and fiddle around with. But what we're looking for is sort of to 165 of the Coral Dome. And we're going to zip down next to this spire here, the closest one to us. And then over here, at the base of all this, is one of these settler bunkers. So it's actually not this particular bunker that we need, but this is a good starting spot. We actually want the wreckage here behind it. I'm not sure if this wreckage requires you to have a repair tool to get into or not. But the coordinates for this wreckage is right here on screen at the lower right hand corner of my screen right now. And then inside of here is going to be a wreckage with a bunch of goodies in it and like an audio log, a bunch of stuff to scan, and a blueprint. You can also find one of the lab chairs in here. There's a power transmitter that you can scan, and then basically all around here is like 3 whole things of stools, so you're pretty much good to go if you go in here and you're needing like another scan of the stool somewhere. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at where to find the stool blueprint inside of Subnautica. You can also find this Keep Calm poster in here. And yeah, that'll be it for now. I hope you found this helpful, and until next time, bye everybody, and have a good one.